This is Lisa from Blue Star Minis. We have baby Butterfingers here. She is a blue Merle. She does have blue eyes. Let's show them the pretty face. Yes. Let's show them. Yes. The pretty little blue eyes. Yes. Yes. She's beautiful mark. She does have a full collar, means white all the way around the neck. Yes. Yes. Got pretty little copper coming in. Yes. Got pretty little copper coming in. Let's turn around so you can see her back. Yes. 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 Huh. I'm a pretty girl. I'm a pretty girl. Yes. Yes. Very easygoing she is. Very playful. Mama is Solution. Daddy is Tex. I'm guessing she's going to be around 10 pounds. Yes. Mama and Daddy's had their genetic health testing done. So that means, you know, she's going to have a healthy start. Yes. Huh. Yes. She's a good girl. Loves tummy rubs, loves her playtime, loves her cuddles. She's starting to show a little bit of a wiggle butt there. Yes. And they're doing the frog leg stuff. Yes. 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 She will get her first puppy shot with me at 7 weeks old. She will also get dewormed 3 times. When she leaves me with a puppy, what I call a puppy love bag. That'll have a couple toys that she likes playing with, a baby blanket that's got my scent and Mama's scent on it, couple bully, all natural bully sticks, and her shot record and worming record. Yes. 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 I think she's so cute. She's got a fun little personality. Yes, she does. I have a fun little personality. Yes. This is saying my nickname is Butterfingers because I'm so sweet. Yes. So you can go on my website, bluestarminis.com, and check out more information and check out my sisters. Yes. Yes. So that's about it. Yes. Yep. Say I'm a good girl. Say we're starting the foundation of potty training. We've been going outside every 2 hours. We've been doing really good. Say I will not be potty trained because I am a baby. But we are starting the foundation of potty training so they know that, hey, this is what we do. So it just makes it easier when she goes into her new home. Yes. Yes, I know. Yes. 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 I'm a good girl. Yes, I am. Good girl. All right, you ready to say bye-bye? Huh? You ready to say bye-bye? Miss Blue Eyes? Miss Blue Eyes? Yes. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.